Oh, this one actually turned on. No way, this new one. That one just turned off. Awesome, that new one turned on. Let's wait for the little fan to spin down. Oh, that line is sweaty. Jeez. I don't care. I'm not gonna wait freaking like 10 years for the fan to spin down. That is very quiet. It's like the quietest heat pump I've ever heard. There's a reversing valve. I know that I said that Goodman at the apartment complex was very quiet, but no, this one's even quieter. It's a nice Copeland Emerson scroll. It's very cold and sweaty. It's a filter dryer. I don't know what the heck that is on there. Nice new little Bryant running. That's really nice. Alright, so thank you for watching, and over and out.